Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk through a basic HTML resume web page. If you're new to web development or just want to learn how an HTML resume is structured, you're in the right place. Let's start at the very top. The first line tells the browser we're writing HTML5, the latest standard of HTML. Following that, we have the tag with the language attribute set to English. This sets up the main HTML document. Inside the section, we define metadata, information about the web page that isn't visible on the page itself. For example, make sure the page can handle all standard characters, including special symbols and emojis. Next is super important for mobile responsiveness. It ensures the web page scales correctly on phones and tablets. Then we include a favicon, that tiny icon on the browser tab, using the tag. In this case, it's linked to glitch.com's icon. Now, the title, Prabhu's Resume, sets what appears in the browser tab, helping both users and search engines understand the page. We also link a style sheet using comma, which is where the design, layout, and colors are controlled. Then we have, which links JavaScript to add interactivity, like animations or form validation, though it runs only after the page finishes loading, thanks to the defer attribute. Now we enter the tag. This is where all visible content of the web page lives. We begin with a tag and a big title inside in. It says Resume, followed by a horizontal line using for styling. Inside A, we see an image. It's a very long line starting with data::image / JPEG: / base64 ... This is what's called a base64 image. The image data is embedded directly into the HTML, so there's no need to load it from a separate file. This approach helps when you're sharing a standalone file without any image hosting. Beyond that, although not visible in this trimmed view, we can guess this resume would likely include common sections like name, contact info, skills, education, experience, and maybe projects, all built using basic HTML tags like and so on. The resume layout is likely customized using the external style sheet we saw earlier, /style.ss. That CSS file might include things like fonts, colors, alignment, spacing, and responsive design settings. Similarly, the JavaScript file, /script.js, could be enhancing user experience. For instance, maybe it adds click effects, a collapsible sidebar, or even a print button for downloading the resume. A few best practices we're seeing here. First, separating HTML, CSS, and JavaScript makes the code cleaner and easier to maintain. Second, using semantic tags like and helps improve SEO and accessibility. And third, embedding the image directly can be helpful in some contexts. But remember, it can also increase the size of your HTML file.